Hello and welcome to the Katakana Basics online course. My name is Andy, and in this course, you'll learn how to read words written in katakana. Katakana is one of the 3 alphabets in the Japanese writing system. Most people start by learning hiragana, katakana, then kanji. So if you haven't learned hiragana yet, I highly suggest you check out my hiragana course before taking this one. Katakana follows the same pronunciation pattern as hiragana, and it follows most of the same rules. However, we use katakana for words that originated from other languages. For example, pizza, which means pizza, basu, which means bus, and necklace, which means necklace. We often refer to these words as loan words. You'll also see foreign names and places written in katakana, like Tomu for Tom, Paris for Paris, and Canada for Canada. You may occasionally see katakana used to emphasize words in a sentence, similar to the way we would bold or italicize words in English. Lastly, you may see Japanese words that have very difficult kanji written in katakana. For this reason, you'll often see animals and insects written in katakana. For example, kirin and hae. Here's a quick read-through of each katakana character. A, I, U, E, O. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Wa, o, n. Believe it or not, there are a ton of loan words that sound similar to words in English and are easy to memorize. Learning katakana will help you expand your vocabulary quickly. Over the next several lessons, we'll practice reading each individual character. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.